In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an XABCD pattern on Tradingview with a quick and easy guide you can follow step by step. First, make sure you're on a Tradingview chart. You can use any market and any time frame you like. Once your chart is open, look toward the upper left side of the screen. That's where most of your drawing tools and pattern tools are located, and that's what we'll be using. In that upper left toolbar, find the icon that opens the Patterns menu. When you click on it, you'll see a list of different pattern tools. From this list, select the XABCD pattern. This tool is specifically designed for harmonic style patterns, and it will let you place 5 points on your chart that connect into a structured formation. Now, move your cursor to the chart area and start building the pattern. Your first click will create the starting point, often called X. Place it where you want the pattern to begin, usually at a clear swing high or swing low. Then, click again to place your second point, A, at the next significant swing in price. Continue with your third point, B, then your fourth point, C, and finally your fifth point, D. Each click will automatically connect with lines and shading, so you'll see the full XABCD shape form as you go. Once the pattern is on your chart, you can see how it maps out price swings and potential reversal zones. This tool helps you visualize market structure and can be a useful part of a trading plan when combined with your own analysis and risk management. You're not locked into your first placement. You can move or adjust any of the points by clicking and dragging them to fine-tune the pattern to the exact highs and lows you want to use. This flexibility is helpful if you want to refine it after looking more closely at the candles. You can also fully customize how the pattern looks. With the pattern selected, you'll see options to work with templates, choose colors, and set the background fill. You can change the color of the lines, adjust or remove the background shading, edit the text labels for each leg, and even change the line width so the pattern stands out more or blends in, depending on your preference. There are additional controls like settings, lock, remove, and a 3 dots menu for more options. Locking the pattern keeps you from accidentally moving it. Remove will delete it from the chart when you're done. The extra menu gives you quick access to tools and properties so you can manage the pattern efficiently. Overall, the XABCD pattern tool on Tradingview is a simple but powerful way to mark out complex price structures, keep your charts organized, and visually support your trading ideas.